Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this 5-digit number, and the 5-digit number is A, B, C, A, B, and we are going to multiply it with a 1-digit number A. And once we multiply these numbers, we are supposed to be getting 111,111. And now our task is to find the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C, so that this condition is satisfied. And bear in mind that all these A, B, and C take up the values between 0 and 9. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the multiplication, and let's multiply A with this digit B. And once we multiply these two digits, our one's digit is supposed to be 1. And the only way we can get 1 if we have these two scenarios, whether this is going to be 3 times 7, that is going to give us 21. And the second scenario is going to be 9 times 9 equals to 81. And here we can see our one's digit is 1 and one's digit is 1 as well. And now let's assume that A and B both have values 9. Then our carryover number is going to be 8. That is not going to be the case. As we can see over here, we got 1 over here. So therefore we conclude that 9 times 9 scenario is not feasible. So therefore we are going to reject this scenario. So therefore our only possible scenario is 3 times 7 is supposed to be 21. And now let's assume that A value I'm going to put down 7 and B value is 3. And if we assume A value is 7, then this A value is going to be 7 and this A value is going to be 7 as well. And if we multiply 7 times 7, and here we can see we got the number 1. So therefore 7 is not a possible choice. So therefore we conclude that our A value is going to be 3 and B value is going to be 7. So thus we conclude that our A value is going to be equal to 3 and B value has got to be 7. And now our only task is to find the value of C. So therefore I'm going to replace A with 3, this A with 3, and this A with 3 as well. And likewise I'm going to replace B with 7 and this B with 7 as well. And now our task is to find the value of C. And now we are going to think outside the box, and we are going to apply the division algorithm on this given problem. And here we can see 111,111 is our dividend. The 3 is our divisor. And this whole 5-digit number is our quotient. So therefore we can write this one as 3 as our divisor and 111,111 as dividend. And now we are going to perform the division algorithm on this given problem. And here if we multiply 3 with 3, then we are going to get 9 over here. And if we subtract, we are supposed to be getting 2 over here. And now I am going to bring down this 1 over here. And now we are going to divide 3 into 27. And we can see 3 times 7 is going to be 21. And our remainder is going to be 0. And now we are going to bring this 1 down over here. And here we can see 3 cannot divide into 1. So therefore we have to put 0 over here. And now we are going to bring this one down over here. So therefore we are going to have 11. And now we are going to divide 3 into 11. So therefore we are going to put 3 over here. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9, and our remainder is going to be 2. And now I am going to bring this one down over here. And finally we are going to divide this 3 into 21. So therefore 3 times 7 is going to give us 21, and our remainder is indeed 0. So thus our question turns out to be 37037. And we can see this 3 is going to be A, 7 is going to be B, and this C has got to be 0. And then once again this 3 is A and B is 7. So thus our C value turns out to be 0. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our A value turns out to be 3, B value is 7, and C value is 0. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.